Hello there, this is Joan of Art and welcome once again to our Ilonggo series, Gin Ni Ang Ni. What's that? It's an Ilonggo word game that I used to play in grade school. It helped me understand the verb and its form, especially past tense. It's like your English sentence structure, but this one is in Ilonggo. It doesn't have any label, that's why it's just called Gin Ni Ang Ni. Why is that? Gin is a prefix that you add to an Ilonggo verb to make it past tense. Ni is a word that you refer to a person who does something. The nearest English equivalent would be by. So, ni Juan, ni Pedro. So, by Juan or by Pedro. Ang is the article equivalent to the. This time, ni means of that person or something that belongs to that person. A simple game for us would be to describe how to wash clothes, for example. This game is being played by two persons. Now the one asking will ask this other person to describe a certain process. For example, it could be any process like how to cook spaghetti, how to wash clothes, how to ride a bike, how to play basketball, as long as it is rich with verbs. So let's do a sample game. How to eat a banana. First, you buy one, bakal, and then you pick it up, pujot. You peel the skin of the banana, so panit, and bite the meat of the banana fruit and munch or chew, usang for chew, swallow, tolon. So you have all those verbs now. So the verb becomes past tense because of gin. The sentence will be in passive form because of the ni or by. So for as many verbs that you have in this process, supply also as many names. So you have to supply 6 names of persons who will be acting the ni part. Ang would be the subject of the sentence. So supply 6 parts of the body. Head, eye, nose, mouth, hand, fingers. And then supply 6 names again. Ideally, the names under the ni column would be guys. The second column for ni would be girls' names. Ginbakal ni Pedro ang ulo ni Juana. Ginpujot ni Mario ang mata ni Isabela. Ginpanit ni Jose ang ilong ni Marta. Ginkagat ni Boy ang baba ni Maria. Ginusang ni Marco ang kamot ni Susana. Gintulon ni Miguel ang tudlo ni Anita. So the weirder the verbs are, the funnier the game would be. So it's up to you to supply naughty verbs and see what happens. This is Joan of Art. I hope you have fun playing that game. And until the next video, bye for now.